Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Google Translate in Facebook Messenger, right? So let me just go into my Facebook Messenger, and if I want to translate, well, there is a no any extension where you can just translate directly, but I will show you the easiest method right now. Just go to your Play Store or App Store, and here you have to type Google Translate. And once you do that, you have to just download this Google Translate mobile application here. Once you do it, let's move back into our Facebook Messenger, and let's say we are here. So I will just copy this text, right? So of course you have to just copy it, and let's get back to our Google Translate. I will click on open, and you have to open it, and here you have to paste it, right? So here you can just translate your language, right? And by the way, you can translate in any language in Google Translate. It's very easy to use. Here you can see these are the two languages, English to Hindi. If you want to change into Spanish or Spanish to English back to, right? So you can just tweak the settings and you can just apply it over the Google Translate. So yeah, this is the easiest method to do that, and I hope you found this video useful. And there is a, yeah, so see you guys in the next video. Take care.